When it comes to course structure, the CMA course has 3 levels: CMA Foundation, Intermediate and Final. The CMA Foundation, which is the first level of the course, and it covers the basics of accounting, economics, management and ethics. The syllabus for the CMA Foundation includes 4 subjects, which are paper number 1, Fundamentals of Business Laws and Business Communication. Paper 2, Fundamentals of Financial and Cost Accounting. Paper 3, Fundamentals of Business Mathematics and Statistics. Paper 4, Fundamentals of Business Economics and Management. The exam is conducted twice a year in the month of June and December. To pass the CMA Foundation exam, you need to score at least 40% in each paper and an aggregate of 50%. Now, once you have qualified CMA Foundation, the next step is CMA Intermediate. However, a graduate will directly come to CMA Intermediate. That means if you are coming through class 12th route, then you will go for CMA Foundation. But in case you are coming through graduation route, you will come to see directly CMA Intermediate. Now, CMA Intermediate is the second level of the course, and it covers the advanced topics of accounting, cost management and taxation. The syllabus for the CMA Intermediate is divided into 2 groups. Each group has 4 papers. Right? So, total 8 papers, 4 in each group. Now, let me talk about the group 1 papers. In group 1 paper, you will start with paper number 5. Now, you will say, where are the 4 papers? The first 4 papers were in CMA Foundation. So, Intermediate group 1 will start with paper number 5. Paper number 5 is Business Laws and Ethics. Paper 6, Financial Accounting. Paper 7, Direct and Indirect Taxation. And paper 8 is Cost Accounting. Now, coming to group 2. Paper number 9. Right? Operation Management and Strategic Management. Paper 10, Corporate Accounting and Auditing. Paper 11, Financial Management and Business Data Analytics. This is a new part which has been introduced in paper 11, Business Data Analytics, and this is indeed a wonderful thing that you need to know in today's era. Paper number 12 is Management Accounting. The intermediate exam is again conducted twice in a year, that is in the month of June and December. And to pass the CMA Intermediate exam, you need to score at least 40% in each paper and an aggregate of 50% in each group. The questions covered in CMA Inter paper will be objective and descriptive. Further, there is no negative marking for wrong answers. Right? So, in objective, even if you do not know the correct answer, obviously you should opt for one of the answer, as because there is no negative marking for the wrong answers. The CMA Final is the last level of the course, and it covers the advanced topics of strategic management, financial management and corporate finance. The syllabus for the CMA Final is also divided into 2 groups, and each group has 4 papers. Right, now coming to group 3. Why group 3? Because group 1 and group 2 were there into CMA Intermediate. Group 3 starts with paper number 13. Now let me tell you how it starts with paper number 13. Paper 1, 2, 3, 4 was in Foundation, and paper 5 to paper 12 was in CMA Intermediate. Right? So 8 paper of Intermediate, 4 paper of Foundation becomes total 12 paper. Now coming to group 3 of Final starts with paper number 13. Paper number 13 is Corporate and Economic Laws. Paper 14, Strategic Financial Management. Paper 15, Direct Tax Laws and International Taxation. And paper 16 is Strategic Cost Management. Group 4. Paper 17, Cost and Management Audit. Paper 18, Corporate Financial Reporting. Paper 19, Indirect Tax Laws and Practice. You will also have to choose one elective paper, that will be paper number 20, from 3 options available. So out of these 3 options which I am going to tell you, you have to make your own paper number 20, what it would be. Option number 1 that you get is Strategic Performance Management and Business Valuation. Option 2 is Risk Management in Banking and Insurance. And option 3 is Entrepreneurship and Startup. If you'll ask me what should I really opt to, I am more fascinated towards Entrepreneurship and Startup. So I would recommend you to go for option 3 as your paper number 20, Entrepreneurship and Startup. The final exam is conducted twice a year in June and December. Passing criteria remains the same here. Further, the questions are both objective and subjective type, as I have told you for the CMA Intermediate. The duration of CMA course is around 3 to 4 years, depending on how fast are you going to complete each level of the CMA course. However, you need to complete all the 3 levels within 6 years from the date of registration, right? And you can also appear from multiple exams in a single attempt as per your wish. You can choose to appear in both group or one group at a time. Remember, if you do not qualify within 6 years from the date of registration, your initial registration would lapse and you will have to re-register, right, in order to give exam furthers. Furthermore, the graduate students will take only 2.5 years as against 3 to 4 years that I was telling for those who are going to come through class 12 route, right, as they'll be exempted from foundation level if they are coming through graduate route.